What's going on, you guys? ZKP Outdoorsman here, and welcome back to the ZKP Outdoorsman channel, guys. Thank you all for joining me here this evening, guys. On this vlog here today, I'm going to show y'all what it's doing here outside. What a snowy day, ain't it, guys? It is a snowy day here outside. I mean, it is pure snow outside today, and because it snowed a little bit yesterday, but it didn't stick. But now, since it's snowing outside, it's sticking. I mean, March and April, you can get all types of weathers like these. You know. Especially March and April. Maybe May, but it's usually April or March. But you can see how it's really cold outside today here, guys. But yeah, it's a very snowy day here outside, here in the outdoors. Look, guys, I mean, it's some heavy snow that's sticking. I guarantee you, if it snows pretty bad by tomorrow, I bet you by tomorrow it's going to be it's going to stick, and everything's going to be covered up. The snow's going to be covered up in snow and everything. I don't know about the driveway, but I know the grass will be covered up. But it's a pretty snowy day out here in the outdoors, guys. And I know some of y'all out in the further north, like Minnesota, Montana. I mean New York and Boston. And I'm sure you guys get a whole bunch of snow out there. I mean, lots of snow out there, and I wouldn't doubt it, because it's real cold up in the north. Look what we got here. There's a little birdie out there, guys. There was a little birdie out there, guys. It must have went away. But it is a really snowy day outside. Here out in the outdoors. See what it's covering up over there by the woods, over there by the river down there. Yeah, it's real pretty cold outside. It's probably at least about around the 20s here today. But it was a really cold day here in the outdoors, but I want to mention on the vlog here that April that me and the old man is going to be playing on a well, not, I was about to say camping trip. No, we're going to be planning on going to a grandfather mountain trip for you guys to witness. Well, I missed all the birds. Looks like I missed all the birds right there. But I know starting April, I'll be taking you guys me and the old man's gonna be taking you guys on a grandfather mountain trip coming April. But we're gonna make certain arrangements over there, because you gotta make a reservation over there. Otherwise, they won't let you come. They won't let you go in or anything. But other than that, we'll be planning on going on a grandfather mountain trip coming April. And like I said, in May we're gonna be going to Mount Mitchell in May on the outdoorsman trip adventure. And we'll be doing an outdoorsman adventure April. Hopefully it doesn't snow then, like this then, because it is really cold outside, guys. I'm telling you. Here in the outdoors. But, damn, dadgum, it's real cold. I might have to go inside here in a few minutes. Here in just a sec. It's getting really cold outside, but guys, I won. So I was thinking here for a minute. Guys, me and the old man are promising you guys that we're gonna be taking on another outdoorsman adventure coming up, and here in April we'll be taking on a Grandfather Mountain trip coming April. And I hope you are excited as well as I am, and the old man is too. And we get to see the animals, the mountains, the bridge. I mean, we won't be going to that theater part, but we probably might go near the gift shop place, probably, or probably the restaurant, maybe. All sorts of stuff. You know what I mean? But it is like I say, guys, it is a very cold, snowy day here today, here in the outdoors, outside, especially in the mountains. We get some really, really cold weathers here in the mountains, especially the mountains of North Carolina. And I know some of y'all up in the north get real bad snowy days here. Dang, it's really windy. Well, guys, I'm gonna get off here. It's getting really, really cold out here, and I just want to show you what a snowy day it is outside and outdoors. But I want to thank y'all for joining me today. Thanks for watching here this evening, guys. And no doubt like and subscribe for more ZKP Outdoorsman vlogs and adventures. And I'll be putting more out, me and the old man will. And I'll talk to y'all soon, and happy outdoors. Bye.